woke up super. I don't want to say I'm tired, but I'm not tired. I just want to sleep more. I wish I can sleep more, but I need to work. I need to clean the house a little bit because I need like a clean house for me to function. So I need to clean the house a little bit. Not anything serious, just just a little clean here and there to clean my decks. Um, yeah, and just set the mood for the day. I love to bathe before working, regardless of whether I'm home or working from home or whether I'm working in the office. So I'll take a shower this morning. I still have a lot of time. And then, yeah, we're going to start the daily. Our first assignment is to get this glass clean. I got a seat cover for my couch. Listen, let me tell you guys. Do not get a white couch if you have kids. See all those white, beautiful things? It's not for you with kids. I learned the hard way. This couch was super expensive. But because I have kids, I can't enjoy it because you have to keep washing and washing. And this is a huge couch to be washing every day. So I got a seat cover from Amazon and see how the kids have still messed it up. I still have to arrange it. But yeah, but the seat cover works. Just that I've come to realize that white couch is not for me anymore. I love the aesthetic. I love everything about it. But with kids, it's a no-no. So what do you guys say you want for breakfast? You want this? You want this for breakfast? I got it from Costco when I went there. This one. So you guys are supposed to have this for lunch. So for breakfast, I'll make you tortillas. Because that tortilla, the one from Car Balance has over 14 or 17 grams of fiber. It's crazy. Lots of fiber. So I'll get you that and scrambled eggs, mix some egg white and normal egg and butter. And you guys will have that for breakfast. You guys still have hot chocolate? I'm going to make you some. So quickly, where's my mic? I can't find my mic. Good morning. I'm done having my bath. I cleaned up and I wasn't able to make breakfast. I think I'm just gonna make scrambled egg, blueberries for the kids. I don't have time to go get tortillas this morning. These pants, I got this leggings from Target. You all, I've been looking for like a very stretchy, beautiful leggings. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. It is beautiful, and I got it from Target. So it came in a sachet, and I just opened it, and it's very beautiful. I got this in a medium. I could do a small, but I got a medium. I mean, I'm still not fat like that, even if I know I added weight. But my lip combo, I just use lip pencil, no lip gloss. Give me the other pants.
But bugs kind of taste good.
Some people eat
Because
bugs.
even though there's even better than Jolly Jolly.
7 minutes, and trust me, this is the best bread ever. It's so good. We bought this chicken wing from AJB. I'm already late for work. I'm going to give you guys a quick OTD. My daughter had done it, but I don't know if she did a good job. But yeah, I'm wearing this top, black top, and I'm wearing a very beautiful black pant, minimal jewelries as always. Black. I'm wearing my glasses just for accessories. I'm not using it. I don't need it. Well, yeah, this is what we're looking like. And my shoe, a black shoe. I'm just going to take my bag for the week and we're off. See me here doing OOTD. It's already 8:20. I'm supposed to be at work at 8 o'clock. but that's okay. Yeah, let's head out. Talk to you guys when I come back. Bye. I don't know. Whenever I order for something and they don't like deliver it in front of my door, it just pisses me off. But I'm going downstairs to pick up my delivery. Oops, I'm sorry.
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 I was paying attention.
You're good.
Camera.
It's the what's it called? DJI Osmo Pocket.
Pocket.
Yeah,
3 or 2?
3.
I have one in my car right now.
Really? This
Yeah.
one? Oh,
The
nice.
exact same one.
So do you do like YouTube?
Yeah, I work in marketing actually.
Oh, nice.
So we're doing a trade show in November.
Oh, okay.
And I have a bunch of creators, so
Oh,
I'm gonna send about 4 or 5 out to different creators to make content.
really?
Yeah.
That's so cool. That's good.
Yeah.
That's a nice job. I like that.
Cool. I'm glad to see you.
Yeah, right? We got our package. I already know what is in here. I'm also expecting something from Amazon. A perfume that I've been seeing on TikTok, and there's been this rave about it. I'll show you guys when it comes. Yay! This is what I got. Body wash. Both are from Natruim, so the Natruim glycolic smoother glycolic body acid. This is my go-to. If you've been on my channel, if you've known me, you'll know that this has been what I've been using since I got here. And this one is the Natruim. I think from since it came out, since it was released, I got it. I was alternating between the vitamin C, but I'm now stuck with this one. And I also use the Glow Getter. This is what moisturizes my skin. Although recently I've been able to discover that if I mix my EOS with the oil, the body butter with the oil, it also helps moisturize, because the EOS alone by itself wasn't doing it. This is the only thing that keeps the skin moisturized. Okay, so we are stuck. My body wash was actually finished. I had to like use the last one, added some water. The reason I had to do this, order this online, was because of this. So I wanted to go in store and just buy this. As I said, I'm already out of my body wash. But this they didn't have in store. The one for my older daughter Isabel, they had it in store. I got for her. The smallest size they had in store for Renee was a small. So when I put that on her, it was too big, and the extra small they didn't have in store. So I had to order it online alone. So I'm glad I got it online. And this is Class Art. Class Art is like the best. If you want to buy clothes for your kids from Target, get from the Class Art line. One thing I must say is it is expensive, a little bit more expensive than the regular, Target brand, a New Day brand. But the quality, it's unmatched. If it's like a New Day brand, they had their leggings, but trust me, that rips like crazy. Like my kids, when they play and they fall, the knees gets. But this one, I'm telling you, this will never rip. And I have a lot of clothes, not a lot, I have quite a few, because I like to shop for my kids from like different places. I don't like to shop from just one place. I shop from Zara for my kids. I shop from Nordstrom Rack. I shop from, when you see me shopping, like the week or the month that I'm ready to shop for my kids, I'm like a crazy lady. I go to different stores and I shop. I don't like to just buy from one store. But yeah, I like to pick whenever I go to Target. This Class Art is one of the brand that I look out for to shop for the kids. Not for me though, for the kids. But yeah, that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later. I want to make Isabel says she wants scrambled egg, but I'm going to make her fried egg and onions because I also want to have a little bit, and then I'll eat my rice. I'm trying to eat my carbs earlier, so I don't eat carbs at night. I'm trying to lose a little bit more weight. You guys can see the baby girl has added a little bit, not too much. I'm still within the 160s. I want to go down to like 158, 162-ish. That's my good spot. But yeah, I'm talking in pounds though, kg. Kg was still good. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know, it's pink. I don't really like too pink. I like the pink Paloma because it was like transparent pink. It wasn't pigmented. But to be honest, this one looks like it's not the exact thing like pink Paloma, but it's going to work. It has that subtle pink pigment. So I don't want like pink, pink, pink. I just want something very subtle that if I want to, just put my lip liner and put a lip gloss, it will look good. So yeah, it's gonna work for now until we find. I'm using ChatGPT to still look for the dupe, or should I say dupe at this point, because this is pretty affordable, but like something similar since they have discontinued it. I even went to the store to see if I can check and see a new one that they brought out since they discontinued. I didn't see anything. Okay, you guys are actually on my legs because I don't have where to keep you guys, but let me show you. I'm here at Ulta and I came to buy perfume. So in my last video or in my last vlog, you guys said I went to Sephora and I tried some perfume. I wasn't feeling it, and when I came to Ulta, I felt it more. So I got some oldies, which is what I OG perfume, the ones I have before. I just restocked, and then I got one new one, and I'll give you guys a little story behind the one I got. So this is the Valentino Donna. This is the extra dose one. I've had this before, so it's not new. I'm gonna the one I had before wasn't the extra dose, so it was the regular one. I did the regular one in but this one I heard is even better. And the fact that it's pink, I'm not a pink girly, but I just think it's better because I actually sprayed it in the store and I liked it. That was what I was actually looking for in my last vlog when I was when I was looking for something, this was what I was looking for. I'm trying to look for something. How you guys are shaking. I'm sorry, I can't keep you somewhere. There's no way to keep you in this car. Okay, so we're looking at this one first. You guys stay here. Nice. Nice. This is perfect. I see it's pink. I wanted to get the bigger size, but I don't know. Just oh, it's good. It's good. It's so good. It's better than the other one, the original one that I had earlier. I don't know if you guys have seen this one too. This one, I got this one, and there's been a rave about this perfume on TikTok. It's called Enclair. It's Arabic or Arabic perfume. So I got it. It's Enclair Latafa. What? This one is very sweet. It's very nice. Oh, it's like when you spray it at first, I don't really like it, but when it settles in, it's so sweet. Oh, like milk. Oh, this one I got this two elf lip gloss. This is the regular plumbing lip gloss. I got this two because the one I used to buy, which is the Paloma, my nail fell off. The Paloma one I used to buy, they discontinued it, and it's this shade but lighter. So I got this clear so I can mix it together to get that Paloma shade. But a girl gotta do what she gotta do, because I don't know why they just be discontinuing something that is so good. It's good. Why change it? Why stop it? Don't you want to make money? So this particular one, they didn't have it in the other altar I went to. So I had to come to this one to get it. This one is a Burberry Goddess, my OG. I love it. I love it. Burberry Goddess and this Valentino Born in Roma. They are like my OG. They're still in my perfume collection, but I'm almost out of them. So I just got more, and I got this one in a bigger size because this is giving my favorite compared to Born in Roma. This is the one I love more. So I got it in a bigger size because I know I will use it. It's not gonna waste. See how it is so beautiful. Goddess. I wanted to get the hair, the Burberry hair, but I will get that some other time. We need to chill. We need to chill with this whole perfume. Oh my god, I love Goddess. Then the star of the show, like what even made me go into the store in the first place, that started making me buying all these other ones is this. So I perceived this on someone wore this perfume, and I was like, what is that? And that lady that wore it, she's so beautiful. She's sweet. She's someone I admire. She's one big lady like that. I was like, man, excuse me, man, what perfume are you wearing? And she told me, it's something called Balmain Destin. Some Balmain Destin. I'm like, say no more. Say no more. And that was what brought me to this perfume. So I came to the store to buy it yesterday. And when I came in, I was like, is it worth it? It smells so good, but do I want to smell like, do I want to like smell like this lady that I will be seeing a lot? And she was like, this girl went to buy smelling like me, you know? Do I want to? No, I don't want to. I left it. And they had it in the store. At this particular altar, they had a lot of it. And I went home, my sister and my brothers. And today I was like, okay, I dreamt over it, I slept over it. Let's just come and buy regular Burberry and Valentino. And I bought what I came, and I moved to the section where I saw this. Yesterday I saw this a lot. And yesterday when I didn't buy it, the store attendants were like, they are going to buy it. Like they are going to, that they didn't know that this perfume is out there. They're going to buy it. And there were a lot there, trust me, yesterday. And I thought they were just saying that because, when you're in the store, they would like marketing strategy. They make it, oh, it's so good, just because they want you to buy it. I thought they just wanted me to buy. I didn't know these people meant it. Tell me why I went to the store today after checking out this other two. I could not find one. Even the tester that they actually they had to open one yesterday to make a tester because someone stole the tester of this perfume. The tester that they opened yesterday for me, I did not even find any of the perfumes. Guess what? I drove. I went to another altar, which is the other altar. I think I went to altar today. And I found it. And I bought it. The bigger one. I had a smaller one that is finished. There's nothing left here. This is just my regular. I love this 62. The next one I'll get might be the 91 though. But I like this 62. This one too is finished. I'm just keeping them here. So I'm just keeping them because I want to know the one that I actually go to. Definitely I'm going to get this YSL again. I love it. I'll get the Intense this time. This one is from Zara. I don't like it. It makes me sneeze. I like this one. See, it's empty. So this is one I'm going to get back because I've had this one like I get it every year. Every time it's out, I get it like 2 or 3 times in a year. But I just started to try this one and I don't like it. So I'll go back to the original.